Wanted to know, are you guys aware of the wealth transfer? And some of you may ask, what is the wealth transfer? Well, the wealth transfer is when there's about to be a great transfer of wealth. The baby boomers are transferring wealth, and we as millennials, if you didn't come from a rich family, if you didn't come from a family that didn't have anything to pass down, then we have to try to figure out how to get on the other side of that great wealth transfer, or we will get left behind. Because what is happening is you have inflation, you have unemployment, and basically the economy is doomed. You have debt, you have a lot of debt, but the rich keep getting richer. How is that? I don't know. I'm not an expert on the economy, but what I do know is we have to figure out a way how to get on the other side of the wealth transfer. And how do you get on the other side of the wealth transfer? Well, if you can't afford to buy stocks, if you can't afford to buy real estate, well, you got to figure out another way. And what other way than doing digital assets, or having digital assets, or digital marketing? And this is how you can get on the other side of the wealth transfer. You have to create some type of business, online business. You have to develop a following. You have to develop these things in order for your business, or in order for you to keep up with what's going on, because we are in a time where the great wealth transfer is a real thing. So if you don't believe me, look it up. I'm not here to bore you about it, but it's a real thing. A lot of things will change within the next 3 to 5 years. We will have a great change in the real estate market, stocks, debt. So all of these things, stocks, bonds, debt, all of these things will have a major impact on the economy, on our life. And so we have to figure out ways to get on the other side if we didn't come from a rich family. So in order for you to get on the other side of the wealth transfer, is for you to do digital marketing, digital assets. And what I mean by digital assets, well, creating a business, online business, an ebook, or something that you are able to sell to your following. So just wanted to give you that information. I think that's something that, you know, we all need to know and be prepared for. I'd like to thank you guys for tuning in to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe, like, and share this video. Now, if you continue to like, I really appreciate that, because that gives the YouTube algorithms a reason to put it in the feed. So thanks. Peace.